Tropical Storm Cristobal. As you can see, our yard floods quite a bit. There's some dry high spots. All of this is underwater. That's where the chickens used to have their coop, so I'm glad that we moved them. That's all underwater right now. So good. Good underwater. I'm feeling a leak in my boot. I guess I gotta get new rain boots. Chickens, you guys good? Even they're getting water in there, darn it. Yeah, we gotta build this up a little more. Next thing we have to do in our yard is to buy a truckload of sand and soil. That wind's getting harder. Ooh, here it's nice and deep. It's like the same over there. But all of this drains into a canal behind our house. I'll show you that. And hopefully there's no, and you can see it's draining. Let's see if I can get to the canal behind here. This is pretty high. And we put the fence quite a few feet in from the edge where the ditch is, like it's like 20 feet at least. I'll go over here and show you what it looks like back here. Let's go through all of this. And hopefully, yep, it's all draining. So, this is one of the main drainage canals in our city. It's about a 12-foot drop, so, and it's very close to cresting. Yay. Just with a little tropical storm. So thank goodness this was not a hurricane. It gets really bad with hurricanes. It has crested before with hurricanes. See, all of this is going to end up in Lake Pontchartrain. As long as it keeps flowing, we'll be fine. Last time I think it actually flooded was back in 2012 or 2013. No, yeah, it's 2012. That's a lot of debris. Yeah, this is the main reason why we got our tall fence, was because all this was open and the kids, we were afraid, would eventually end up falling into that big drainage canal. But yeah, this is our nearly completed chicken coop. While I'm out here, I'll show you. They are just staying under here right now. We have, why aren't you in there, baby? Hi. You're soaked, sweets. So there's their nesting boxes. This whole side swings open, and so we can just scoop it all out whenever we need to change out their bedding. Baby, you need to go in. Pretty sure that one is Hiroko, Hiro's favorite chicken. Yeah, that one's Hiroko. Hiroko, baby, get inside. And they have a covered run under here, and then this whole run, which I think we should cover. And then we just have to finish off the door. And that's all we have to finish on this coop. And it is huge inside. Matt calls it their chicken motel. So that's what a tropical storm in our area looks like. Good thing, and this isn't even a bad one. It's been raining all day, but the streets aren't really flooded yet, which is a good thing. It's been just a light rain like this most of the day. We had a couple of downpours when it first started, but now it's fine. Yay! I don't think we'll get any real flooding in, at least not on this street, but you never know. Flash floods can happen. Look, this is our storm damage. My tomato plants have all gone down. Oh no! If I can see, they're all hanging here. I'm gonna have to get some better spikes to put them up. Only one survived. So this is documenting, what is it? Tropical Storm Cristobal. The ground is going to be soaked for a good week, but as long as that drainage canal doesn't crest, we will be fine. In the aftermath of Cristobal. Still some pretty high winds. We didn't get any more water into the yard yesterday, but we noticed something. It looks like a frog has laid a bunch of eggs in one of our puddles. So I'm gonna have to come out in here and collect. You can see it against the leaf. I'm gonna come out here and collect some of them, and maybe that'll be a cool homeschool project. We'll hatch out some tadpoles before the chickens find it, or something else finds them and eats them, or all this water drains and they die. So I better collect some of them. But yeah, all the water's starting to go down already in the yard. Still pretty flooded, but definitely not as bad as it was yesterday. Chickens are happy. They don't mind walking in the water, but they just would rather not it be rain and them getting soaked, as they were yesterday. All of this. I wonder how the ditch is. Shall we go see how high the ditch is? Cristobal damage. Oh no, branch down. Let's see. Well, the water has stopped rushing. Start going down a bit. Let's say. Get back here. Hopefully I don't get bit by mosquitoes. Yeah. It's down a couple of feet from yesterday. It's not moving as fast. Are you excited we got frog eggs?
Yeah.
Tell mine.
What do frog eggs turn into?
Tadpoles.
Good job! And then what did they turn into?
Frogs.
Good job! You're so smart. Is that gonna be fun to watch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love tadpoles. It's turned to a frogs.
Yeah.
Valentine's Day. Oh my God, that scared me,
What?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day! Oh, you want a hug?
Handshake.
And a handshake?
Stop blushing. I just want
Those are silly.
Stop blushing.
So, kiddo, we're gonna watch eggs turn into tadpoles and then turn into frogs.
Frogs.
Will that be fun? I think they're tree frogs. We'll have to identify them once they get bigger, okay?
Yeah.
Yep. You seem so enthused. It's early. You're gonna go watch them hatch?
They're not gonna hatch yet, Hannah.
It'll be a while.
Aww.
You wanna go look at them though? It's dark back here. My goodness. Oh, Daddy locked it. Oh no.
I did.
Why'd you lock it?
So we're gonna keep going back there.
Let's go look one more time. Hit them all the way back. Whoa!
Actually, it wasn't a happy hey, tadpoles. This got grow. Pink mantis got grow.
Yeah, this is our only like window shelf.
Look at our pink mantis.
Maybe the kids won't get to things, so this is the only place we can grow plants or anything else. But
Here, pink
there's
mantis.
all the eggs.
Oh my God, I see one hatching.
It's gonna be a while, baby.
Oh my god, I see a lot of them.
That water was pretty murky. And where's the praying mantis? Praying mantis is in there somewhere. There it is at the top.
Is that the top? It doesn't look like a lipstick. Mom, can I see? Mom, call me so I can see the lot of eggs.
You want to see the lot of eggs?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We only got 10 eggs?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got all the eggs.
I don't think Toto is scared of tadpoles.
No, she's not. She's glad to eat them, I guess.
You think she'll eat them?
She only eat one.
She'll eat one tadpole?
No.
No?
I just want her to eat frogs.
Toto won't eat frogs. I ended up getting quite a few. That's not even all that were in there. That was maybe a quarter of all the eggs in there. Some are sticking to the sides. Some casualties. But yeah. So as these grow bigger, I'll get a bigger tank and set it up. We'll probably only keep a couple of them. After they turn into tadpoles, we can release them into that big creek back there. But yeah, it's so cool. It's the first time a frog has ever laid eggs in our yard. So this will be an interesting experience for the children. They're super excited.